Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Google Play error code, or HDT-16. The error reads, "Your transaction can't be completed. To continue this transaction, use a different payment instrument or contact us." As per our research, the error comes when users try to make purchases using Google Play, especially with a new card or Google Play balance. Many users have shared that the error stops them from completing in-app transactions, even if their payment method is valid. According to our research, the error is likely related to mismatched payment details, temporary system glitches, or issues verifying the card. To deal with the error first, restart the Google Play app and try making the purchase again. If restarting the app doesn't help, then restart your device and try again. If the error still comes, then check that the billing address linked to your card matches the address in your Google Payments profile. If not, update it and try the transaction again. If you still have the error, then try forcing the Play Store app to stop. Then clear the cache and data for the Play Store. After that, relaunch the app and check if the error still appears. If the issue still persists, try using a different payment method. And see if this helps you complete the purchase without the error. At last, if nothing works, click the Learn More link shown in the error message. There may be an option to chat with a support agent. Many users shared that the issue was resolved the same day after contacting support. So give this a try and see if this helps you too. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.